Today, we'll explore the technical aspects of booking and making a deal within the Alnair platform. We'll explore the booking cabinet and how to access it. We'll break down each step to make it as transparent and understandable as possible for you. So, first, let's move on the booking form itself. Our booking form looks like this. It consists of 5 main sections, each converting different information blocks. For example, project info, where we select a specific project, unit and master agency. Since we're executing a transaction using the advanced payment model, the commission is paid directly to you by the master agency after signing the sales purchase agreement. The commission will be indicated in this platform. There is also agency agreement block, where the contract between your company and the master agency is signed. There is also a booking block, where the union booking process takes place, a sales purchase agreement block, where the SPA is signed with the client. Finally, there is a payment of commission section, where the invoice from one company to another is issued so you can receive your commission. First, let's understand how to access the booking window. There are 2 ways to do this. The first one is directly from unit itself. Let's look at an example of company of which we can process a transaction with advance payment right now for you. So we open the project itself, see all the information, and we can click model a booking directly from there to make a booking. However, for your convenience, you can also simply select a specific unit and make a booking directly from within it. There is make a booking button, and when you click it, it takes you to directly in booking cabinet window. The second way to create a booking into the booking account is by going directly from Alnair, clicking the upper right corner and selecting the booking field. This takes you to a page where all transactions recorded here will be listed. Here you will see all status such as active transactions, transaction require your action, transaction under reviews, and your archived transaction. Accordingly, to create a booking directly from the booking cabinet, click the create record. From there, you can select a project and fill out relevant information. Let's walk through how filling out this booking form within the account looks so you can better understand it. For example, we already select Evergreen House, a specific unit, select the payment plan and click proceed. This takes us to the next step, AML and KYC verification. At this stage, an Alnair manager will contact to you to request your company information and create a sub-brokerage agreement between you and for you real estate company. This will be required before the booking process begins. At this stage, you fill out your company information. With this window, we receive this information and create an agreement, return to you, download this document and make sign with you. After you sign the sub-brokerage agreement with For You Real Estate, these fields will always be automatically filled in. You don't need to make it another times. Next, we move on the third field, booking. We already filled out the project information and signed a sub-brokerage agreement with your company. First of all, before entering the transaction, we must enter the client information in order to conduct a KYC check. This is right for any transaction below, and this is conventional. Only your agency and Alnair see this information for your client and for this KYC check. First, you fill the client full name, phone number, email and physical address. Then you choose payment method, whether the booking for the payment plan, and you must also select the client source of funds. It can be simple, it can be employed or unemployed or business. This is usual enough to conduct a KYC check. If you need to add any comments, you can edit them there. Next, if your client has an Emirates ID, It's important to indicate whether they have one. If they do, you must upload the client ID in both fields. If they don't, you can skip these two fields. The most important thing to indicate that they don't have an ID and simply download their international passport. There you can click proceed and you can proceed through the whole step of this form without waiting for our feedback. And now Alnair support manager will quickly verify everything and you will be in charge of yours. There will be feedback of suddenly any changes in required for your transaction. If it will be, your transaction will be transferred to the action required field. That is, any change is required from your side, and there will be note about what exactly needs to be changed. Also, after you have filled out the KYC check from the standard form, in any case, the support team will manage from this to you. And of course, from this stage, the main form will be filled out from our side, but you can also of course fill it out from your side, and we will receive the information together with you, and the developer will receive the booking form. We filled out here only the booking form and indicate the signing date. This also comes the participation of your side, because in science you communicate directly with the client and you will help him with signing, payment method and so on, and we will be in touch all the time and will support in order to help you with each stage. After the booking form is signed, it will be displayed here and signed and will be uploaded the same. The next stage is booking payment. The method by which you initiated the payment for booking will be indicated right here. The receipt will be uploaded, and after you have traditionally made a booking deposit, signing the booking form, the SPA contract is prepared and it will be uploaded right here, in the same ways as well as a contract number and the signing date. Using this, you can also upload the document on your site. If you got it first, then us. But if we receive this document first, of course we will upload it ourselves. In booking cabinet, you will manage all your transactions and see their status, storing information about them there. Again, I remind you, it's very important. This is confidential information. This is stored only and viewed by your site, Alnair, and for you real estate. So this is convenient way for you. And the final status is after the apartment has booked, payment has been made via booking form, the form has been signed, KYC has been completed by Alnair and the developer, and the SPA has been signed with the client, meaning all conductions for receiving the commission will be done. There we contact with you and your accounting department, and in the invoice field you upload the invoice for you real estate. Within 2-3 working days we will proceed the commission and display it in the payment tab, indicate that one you receive the commission. Overall, this form of work is quite simple and intuitive to understand. Furthermore, your support manager will be in touch with you through the whole transaction process and will assist you at every stage. Therefore, this form currently serves more as transaction management tool, allowing to initiate and record transaction with Alnair, either to participate in pre-sales events or booking the exclusive Alnair properties, or conduct a transaction to receive an upfront advance commission. Thank you for attention, and we look forward for our successful deals.